You can't upload full-size Facebook profile picture using Facebook application. You have to use the desktop version of Facebook. So, open your browser, then type and search www.facebook.com. Then log into your account. I will use the save data. To go to your profile, tap the hamburger menu, then tap your name. Now you have to upload your new profile picture as a private photo. Go to post section, tap photo, then upload your new profile picture. It is better if you can select only me. After a little while, we will delete this photo. To upload, tap post, then it will be post. There are two methods. The first method is, now tap that photo to get the full view. Then tap three dots in the top right corner. Now select make profile picture. Let's move to the second method. Scroll down. Now tap your profile picture to get full view. Again, scroll down and tap make profile picture. Now you can follow the same steps. Now select make profile picture. Just wait a second. You see profile picture change. Then if you go to your Facebook application, you can see your profile picture has been changed. You see, this is a full view of your profile picture. Then you can delete your old private photo. Scroll down, tap your old profile picture, tap three dots, tap delete photo. That's how you upload full-size profile picture onto Facebook. That's it. Thanks for watching. Later.